Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious veggie sushi rolls. First, rinse 2 cups of sushi rice thoroughly until the water is completely clear. Then, cook the rice with 2 1/4 cups of water. Once cooked, gently fold in a seasoning mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and a pinch of salt. This perfectly seasoned rice is the foundation of your rolls. Next, let's prepare your vibrant vegetable fillings. Choose fresh, crisp vegetables such as cucumber, creamy avocado, and sweet carrots. Slice these ingredients into thin, uniform strips, ideally about 1/4 inch thick and 3 to 4 inches long. Consistency and size helps create a neat roll. Having all your fillings prepped makes the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. Now for the fun part, assembling your sushi rolls. Lay a sheet of nori, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Spread a thin, even layer of seasoned rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch strip at the top. Arrange your colorful vegetable fillings neatly across the center of the rice. Begin rolling tightly from the bottom, using the mat to guide and press firmly. Finally, it's time to slice and serve your beautiful veggie sushi rolls. For clean cuts, moisten a very sharp knife with water before each slice. Carefully cut each roll into 6 to 8 equal pieces, about 1 inch thick. Arrange them artfully on a platter. Serve your homemade sushi immediately with your favorite soy sauce, a dollop of wasabi, and some refreshing pickled ginger. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.